Hi, today I'll show you how an app called MemPlus works. No matter how much care you give your PC, the truth is that they tend to accumulate data on your hard drive and RAM and eventually cause your system to run slower than usual. MemPlus is a lightweight app designed to help you solve these problems and optimize memory consumption across apps and processes on your system. The program features a clean and intuitive interface that features a barometer showing the total RAM consumption on your system. As you would expect, the barometer includes color codes so you can determine at a glance whether usage exceeds a certain threshold. The app also shows memory usage in percentages so that everything is clear. In the main window you can also preview the total physical memory and used physical memory. In case you determine that the usage is unacceptably high, all you have to do is press the Clean Memory button. In addition to keeping you updated on memory usage, the app has the role of identifying the specifications of the RAM installed on your system. Accordingly, by accessing the RAM Analyzer tool, you can learn more about the memory attribute, bank label, capacity, configured clock speed, data width, device locator, form factor, manufacturer, on the type, and so on. It is worth mentioning that the information can be exported in HTML, CSV, Excel, or plain text format to be able to compare or analyze it further, for example with different benchmark applications. While it's true that some problems can't be fixed unless you add more physical memory to your system, MemPlus has the role of helping you with maintenance and keeping your PC running smoothly. See you next video, and now some music.